Ready to unlock the door to thousands of potential buyers or renters? Let's dive straight into how to list your property on zameyen.com, Pakistan's leading real estate platform. First, head over to zameyen.com and locate the List Your Property button, usually found prominently on the homepage or within your account dashboard if you already have one. Click it. If you don't have an account, you'll be prompted to register. Provide a valid email address and phone number. These will be used to contact you about potential leads. Make sure the information is accurate. Now comes the fun part. You'll be presented with the property listing form. Carefully select the property type: apartment, house, commercial, etc., and accurately specify the city and location. Enter the asking price or rental amount. Next, provide detailed information about your property. This includes the number of bedrooms and bathrooms, the total area in square feet or marlas, and any key features like parking spaces, balconies, or garden. The more details, the better. High-quality photos are crucial. Upload clear, well-lit images showcasing the best aspects of your property. Include pictures of the exterior, interior, and any notable features. Write a compelling description highlighting the unique selling points of your property. Mention nearby amenities, transportation links, and anything that makes it stand out. Proofread carefully for grammar and spelling errors. Double-check your contact information. Ensure your phone number and email address are correct so potential buyers or renters can easily reach you. Before submitting, preview your listing. This allows you to see exactly how it will appear to potential buyers or tenants. Review all the information carefully and make any necessary edits. Finally, submit your listing. Congratulations, you've successfully listed your property on zameyen.com and are now ready to connect with a vast audience. Good luck with your sale or rental.